Hi friends, Tracy.bish here. Thank you so much for pressing play on my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. This video is actually a little bit late, so I do apologise for that. It is my Tracy's Sunday challenge for last Sunday, which the theme for this week is alternative projects for your kit collections. So I did last Thursday a video showing off this gorgeous kit. It's the Festive Tag kit, available now in my online store. It makes the most beautiful tags, but I wanted to be able to show that you can use your kit collection to create exactly how they have the projects, or you can change them up a little bit, which is what I really want to show you. So this one here, I've grabbed a pool party tag as well as that die cut with the snowman. I've got a piece of basic white thick cardstock that I've just popped through the cut and emboss machine using the new Snowfall Sky, I think it's called, embossing folder. It's in the new mini catalogue. So if you haven't seen the mini catalogue, go over to my online store and you can see it there. Now that it has been embossed, I'm using my blending brushes and pool party ink, just adding a little bit of colour and sort of bringing that pool party tag into the whole card. So just to give it some really nice look. I'm going to run that pool party tag through that embossing folder and also add just a little bit of ink using the pool party ink as well. So I'm doing two cards today with this video. These are simple cards that you could do. Now this kit doesn't have a stamp set. A lot of our kits in the kit collection do have stamp sets, so it's a really easy way to be able to keep creating using that kit. So this is a silver ribbon. It's part of a combo of silver and gold. It's from the online exclusives, which are also still available in my online store. I've gone with the silver, but looking back with the little snowman, his nose is gold, so I probably should have used the gold. But to me, silver and blue always go together so well for Christmas cards. So I've just tied a nice little bow. I'm going to add it to the tag. We're going to pop it up with some dimensionals, and we're going to use a basic white thick card base for our card base as well. So this is the first card in this collection using the Festive Tags kit. Oh, and they have little stickers as well as die cuts, so I've just used that. Now you have a few extra bits in the kit that you can reuse. So I really want to let you know that this theme, or the Tracy Sunday Challenge, is open still until Sunday, and even after Sunday you can still add your project to the post over on Facebook. But I'd love it if you joined in. And if you haven't got time to join in this week, go over and just take a look at what everyone's created using their kits that they've had and what they've created with them, because it's amazing. So there's our first card. The second card here, I've used that beautiful die cut, and there's a poinsettia, some little foliage in the background, which is really cool. I'm using the Joy of Noel stamp set. This is actually a bundle in the new mini catalogue, and I'm just using that arrangement of flowers there. We're going to stamp that and heat emboss with the gold embossing powder. Now, there are a couple of things that I would do differently if I was to create this card again. The first one would be I'd stamp that first image up a little bit higher. The second thing I would do would, instead of doing 4 of these groupings of stamping and embossing, I would do 3, because it sort of looks like a octopus or a monster underneath my die cut image. I sort of went with 2 and I thought 2's not going to be any good, but then 3 wouldn't look, the way it was styled wouldn't look good either, so I went with 4. But I would, if I was to create this card all over again, I would just do 3 and place them a little bit better on my card front. The third thing that I would probably change would be I might add a die cut behind the other die cut. So the flower image, I might put a circle or something there just to distinguish the difference between the die cut and the background. But they're my personal choices, my preferences, and yeah, but you could do whatever you like with your card. So we're going to use the INKY Stella to add some little colour to our stamped or embossed image. I've got Flirty Flamingo ink, Garden Green ink, and Pretty Peacock. So I've just used the colours from the die cut piece from the kit and just added those colours in. I really love how this has turned out. The INKY Stella gives it a really great shine and sparkle, and I've actually done super quick colouring. I haven't done any care to it at all. It still looks really great, and I think that's probably the easiest and best way to be able to add a little bit of colour to your card. So this is just gorgeous. I think this is a really pretty card. So we're going to add some twine from the Simply Elegant trim. I've got my gold there. I'm also going to add this whole card front piece to some Flirty Flamingo cardstock, and then we're using basic white thick card base for our base. And then just to finish it off, just adding a little bit more gold in there, I'm using the Festive Pearls embellishments, which are gorgeous. So these are two really quick and easy cards using the Festive Tags kit. Now, if you would like to purchase the Festive Tag kits, you can in my online store, and I would love to spoil you as a customer of mine. Make sure you use this month's hostess code, which you can find on my blog and in the description of this video. I've got a couple of things that I will give out to you as a customer of mine. The first thing would be the Halloween chocolate treat box would be posted out to you. You will also receive this month's bundle tutorial, and I would love to spoil you. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you back here again really soon. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you hit subscribe. Alright, you're looking at a black screen, so sorry about that. Alright guys, enjoy your day. Bye bye.